morning. My name is Joelmina Podra. I am 6th grade and today we are going to learn how to use possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used to talk about things that belong to you and make sentences short and less repetitive. It's important that you see the box so that you understand the possessive pronouns. Let's start with possessive adjectives. It's my, and the possessive pronoun is mine. Let's see example. Your house is bigger than my house. As this sentence is very repeat, we add the possessive pronouns mine, which replace my. Your house is bigger than mine. We continue with you. The possessive adjectives is your. The possessive pronouns is yours. The possessive pronouns is yours. Let's say the example. My dog is more aggressive than your dog. We can replace the you with the possessive pronoun yours. My dog is more aggressive than yours. The next sentence. Your sister is more popular than Joel's sister. Here we have the he. To make the sentence short, we replace him with his. Your sister is more popular than his. We continue with she. Our teacher is more paid than Joel's teacher. We can replace them she with the possessive pronouns hers. Let's see the example. Our teacher is more paid than hers. We continue with it. The possessive adjective is its, but it does not have possessive pronouns. The possessive pronouns of we is ours. Your car is slower than our car. Your car is slower than ours. We continue with you. Our kids are noisier than your kids. The possessive pronoun is your, as we see in the sample. All kids are noisier than yours. My cat is meaner than my neighbor's cat. Since it is such a long sentence, we can replace they with theirs, as we see it in the sentence. My cat is meaner than theirs. That all for today. Thanks Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye.